Disable auto refresh tabs in Chrome desktop. Since a recent update in Chrome, Windows, desktop, if I change to some tabs, which haven't been opened for a longer time, Chrome automatically performs a refresh on the page. It only happens when the tab hasn't been opened for a longer time. It's really disturbing for me, and haven't found any solution to disable this. Anyone knows how to disable this? Thanks.
The op is right. This has started happening in the latest release, Chrome Stable version 48. I was also going bonkers due to this new feature, and then I did some research. It is not due to any extension as another user has suggested. It's a relatively new parameter which has been turned on by default in the new release. Chrome team is calling it tab discarding. This may happen if there are many tabs open and Chrome is running out of memory. According to their documentation, tabs are now sorted from most interesting to least interesting. The least interesting tab may be discarded if we run out of physical memory. I suppose least interesting would translate those tabs which weren't accessed in a while. Though they are trying to help us free some RAM, however, this feature totally ruins the tab if you don't want its contents to refresh due to some reason, like a YouTube video you paused at a particular location, or wanted to go back to some top headlines on the homepage of CNN, which you had glanced at earlier and now you want to go back to them, but as soon as you click the tab, this feature auto-refreshes the page, updating the headlines. List goes on and on. I also had some Amazon tabs open and had specifically wanted not to have the page update, because it had some particular images and design elements displayed that I wanted to refer later, but when I got back to those pages, the tab discarding feature auto-refreshed all of them, replacing them with the current version of the pages, totally devoid of whatever I wanted to refer to. And for those who suggest it is probably Amazon's auto-refresh, no, Amazon doesn't auto-refresh product pages. I have had pages remain open for many days and they would never update unless I clicked refresh. Now, let's get back to the solution. To see the discarded tabs, type this in the address bar, Chrome ://discard/. To actually disable, type in your address bar, Chrome ://flags, then disable this flag, #automatic tab discarding, turn it to disabled from default. Simple solution to a highly unproductive and frustrating issue. That's it. You can stop pulling your hair out now, smile. Source: Google Product Forums. Chrome 63+. In more recent versions of Chrome, the #automatic tab discarding flag is removed. However, you can still toggle auto discard for Chrome desktop apps on the Chrome ://discard/ page.
I think it's called this now. Proactive tab freeze and discard. Enables proactive tab freezing and discarding. This requires #enable page almost idle. Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS. #proactive tab freeze and discard.
The direct path, as of 20,190,130, to disable this abomination labeled as a feature is now.
Chrome is pre-rendering tabs/sites. If you were not in this tab for a long time or while you typing an URL and Chrome thinks that you were so often before on it, that this should be the target URL. You can disable this in Chrome ://settings/advanced by turning off predict network actions to improve page load performance. This was also explained in Can I turn off Google Chrome's new pre-rendering?